Hi everyone, this is Louise from Sydney. If you're watching this video and considering joining the House Sitting Academy, I highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Ian.
And we're on a 3-month house sit here in beautiful Barbados.
Hi, we're Tim and Amy. We live in Denver, Colorado, and we are here at the fabulous Red Rocks Amphitheater.
And we're really excited. Our next house sit's going to be in lovely San Diego, California, a mile from the beach.
Woo woo!
Declan, we're on a 4-week house sitting assignment in
𝗢𝗲𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗋 on the Costa Brava in Spain.
Aloha, we're Betsy and Pete Webker coming to you from a house sit in beautiful Boquete, Panama.
Hello, I'm Peter Farmer.
I'm Tony.
And this is Theo.
Say hello, Theo.
We joined the House Sitting Academy back in November of 2016. What we really love about this group is the depth of expertise that's within the group.
This group is incredible. No matter what you're experiencing or wondering, someone in the group has been there, done that, and they know they've been through this already. So you can ask any question, no judgment, super sharing, easy group, very supportive. We love it.
We took Natalie and Jody's House Sitting Academy course last May. We received our very first referral sit, and we have been on the road continuously booked ever since. We truly love house sitting.
We joined the House Sitting Academy as charter members when it first started. We love the House Sitting Academy because we learn so much to make us better sitters, and we're part of a special community of supportive folks who share our lifestyle.
The inner circle, and what we really love about that is the experience you can leverage off of others house sitters and how open and helpful everyone is in the community.
And Nat and Jody are awesome.
We joined House Sitting Academy back in 2015, and we really appreciate the friendships and connections we've made as members.
Yeah, we've benefited over and over from the exclusive referrals in the inner circle. And in fact, we're here now in Barbados because of a personal introduction by Nat and Jody themselves.
We reckon the inner circle alone makes the Academy worth every penny.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thanks guys.
Thanks to the education, I've been able to secure amazing house sits in the south of France, in Asia, and many house sits here in Australia, particularly for me in Sydney, as I don't get to travel as much as I'd like at the moment. So if you're a new house sitter, or you're a house sitter that would like your profile to stand out so you're noticed more often for the homeowners, then the education is invaluable. I look forward to connecting with you and seeing you inside the House Sitting Academy.
Thanks, House Sitting Academy!